When was the last time you left work feeling like you actually got everything done? Not just the urgent stuff, but everything. Chances are, it's been a while. Most of us are stuck in a loop. Long hours, endless tasks, and a to-do list that never seems to shrink. But here's the thing. The problem isn't how hard you work, it's the way you work. And AI is about to change that completely. My name doesn't matter. What matters is that I used to spend 8 to 10 hours a day grinding through emails, reports, research, and meetings, and still feel behind. Then I started using Claude, Anthropic's AI assistant, as a real productivity tool, not just to answer questions, as an actual work partner. And within a few weeks, my output doubled while my hours dropped. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Step 1. The brain dump morning routine. Every morning, before I do anything else, I open Claude and do a brain dump. I type out everything on my mind, tasks, worries, ideas, deadlines, in no particular order. Then I ask Claude to organize it into a prioritized plan for the day. What used to take me 30 minutes of calendar juggling now takes 3 minutes. Claude identifies what's urgent, what's important, and what can wait. It even flags conflicts in my schedule. I start every day with a clear map instead of chaos. Step 2. Email at machine speed. Email is a productivity killer. The average professional spends 2.5 hours a day on email. That's insane. Here's what I do instead. I read each email once, then paste it into Claude with a simple instruction. Write a professional reply that does X. I review the draft, make small tweaks, and send. What used to take me 4 to 5 minutes per email now takes 45 seconds. For complex emails, client negotiations, sensitive feedback, tricky requests, I tell Claude the context and the outcome I want, and it gives me multiple tone options. Firm, diplomatic, warm, assertive. I pick the one that fits. Step 3. Research in minutes, not hours. Before AI, researching a topic meant 20 browser tabs, hours of reading, and pages of notes. Now I give Claude a topic and ask for a structured summary with key points, different perspectives, and the most important things I need to know. For deeper research, I paste in articles or documents and ask Claude to extract the key insights, compare sources, or identify contradictions. What used to take half a day now takes 30 minutes. Step 4. First drafts, instantly. Writing is where most people lose the most time, staring at a blank page, rewriting the same paragraph, second-guessing every word. Claude eliminates the blank page problem. I give it a topic, a goal, and a tone, and it produces a solid first draft in seconds. I never use the draft as is, but editing something is 10 times faster than writing from scratch. Reports, proposals, presentations, social posts, all of them start with Claude now. Step 5. The delegate to Claude habit. This is the mindset shift that changed everything. Instead of asking, can I do this faster, I started asking, can Claude do this for me? Summarizing a long meeting transcript? Claude. Creating a checklist from a complex project brief? Claude. Brainstorming solutions to a problem? Claude. Proofreading? Claude. Formatting data into a table? Claude. The tasks I actually need my brain for, creative thinking, decisions, relationships, those I keep. Everything else gets delegated. The result? I work about 5 to 6 hours a day now. I produce more with higher quality, and I finish with energy left over. This isn't about replacing human thinking. It's about removing the friction that slows human thinking down. If you've been trying to do more by working harder, it's time to try a different approach. Work smarter. Delegate to AI, and gain back your time. That's what Idle Gains is all about. Subscribe for a new workflow every week and start gaining while you're idle.